Hi breakfast cereal eaters, and welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So what have we got for you this time? This is another one of the commercially available ones. This is from 2004 and it's a Kellogg's Rice Krispies Snack Factory. Let's take a look. So turning to the front of the box, you'll see a picture of the Snack Factory machinery on the front. On the side they obviously show you some of the things that you can make, and then on the back he shows you all the various bits and pieces in a bit more detail. So let's take a look inside then. So we've got various bits in here. There's the base. There's the backboard. There's some instructions. How's that going? Goes in like that. Some more bits in there as well. I think that's everything. So let's look to make it. Obviously the tumbler that you use to mix all the ingredients up. I think that goes in like that. This is going like that. There's the tumbler, so you obviously, oops, and you don't take it off quite like that. Maybe it was a bit too vigorous. That's better. Put your ingredients in there and then you obviously mix them up. We've got rolling pin and thing for obviously decorating. Put the rolling pin there. There's a different mould for obviously some icing effects. Spoon. We've got some moulds here. And then finally we've got some sort of mixing bowl there as well. So then this is the instruction booklet. So nice visual pictures to obviously help kids work out what they're doing, and looks fairly similar in terms of simplicity, a bit like the cereal bar maker that I've shown as well. So let's get making. Let's put that over there. It says you need 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil, so I'm going to try and guesstimate that. Then have to lightly oil these moulds here as well, which I can't seem to pick out. 1, 2, and 3. Right, we're meant to use Rice Krispies clearly, but I've only got Coco Pop, so we're going to make Coco Pop ones. Pour that in. We've got to add 2.5 teaspoons of water. 1, 2, that'll do. Shut the lid. thoroughly mixed. Then open that out, and maybe I haven't got that the right way around. And pour into the mould, which he's sort of doing. That's the first one. There's the second one. I'm not sure if I've got enough in for the third. Right. I'll use my fingers. Let's do it with this. One, two, there's the third there. Plus some extra. Right. So there you go, a bit messy, but made 3. Let's put them in the fridge and see how they come up later on. Right then, so it's been in the fridge now, and here's the finished product. I've put some icing sugar on, and not particularly great. I'm guessing they don't look like they've got enough in them either. Well, there you go, the stars come out right. So there you go, finished product. So how would I rate this? Well, I think it looks great with all the colourful bits and pieces and the moving parts and everything, but nothing really beats the old classic of just using one of those cupcake holders and just pouring some chocolate Rice Krispies in that. So I'd give it a 2 out of 5.